guys, if you are looking for how to trade boom and crash for a very long time, then you need to watch this video to the end, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you the step by step on how to go about it. That is how to trade, I mean sharing with you a strategy that will help you to trade boom and crash for a very long time. Okay, I'm going to show you when to come in, how to analyze your trade, and when to exit your trade. These are some of the things you will be sharing in today's video, so stay tuned and watch this video to the end. I'm also going to add some tips to it that will help you to know when the trend is changing or not. Okay, so let's move on to the video properly. But before doing that, I would like to say I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, grab a few tips there. Make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Okay, this is very vital. That is the best way you can make money with this strategy. Okay, so if you have any question about any of my videos, probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. If you love my videos, kindly give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because I usually drop a training video like this every day. Okay, and these are videos that can help you trade successfully or milk the forex market successfully. Okay, just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Before we jump into what we have for today properly, let's quickly check out what is happening in the market. Okay, we'll be looking at boom 1000 using the signal indicator. As you can see, boom 1000 is on a very long downtrend. You can see the sell signal here, which is the one in yellow color. Okay, we got the signal here after this resistance level, and it broke out from this line, and the line also changed from blue to yellow, which means that the market is going back on downtrend. So that is why we had a very long downtrend here. Okay, we had a very long downtrend here to this level, that is about 56 minutes candles, but it is already at a support level. That is why we saw the spike happening right now. Okay, let's check out what is happening with crash 1000. For crash 1000, it is presently on uptrend. For those that are trading crash 1000, you should be exiting the market right now. We got our buy signal here, but got confirmed here, so you can come in here and close your trade right now. That is 40 minutes candle. The exit arrow is already out, so you should close it at the moment and wait for it to break this resistance level or for the crash to happen before you do your analysis. Again, let's check out what is happening with boom 500. I'm using the QD6 scraper indicator here. Okay, right now boom 500 has been on a very long downtrend. Okay, you can see the trend indicator showing us that the market was red, and it's been on a downtrend for a very long time, been going down for a very long time. But right now the trend is about to change to an uptrend, so be prepared for that. Okay, so be prepared for that. Let's check out what is happening with crash 500. For crash 500, I'm using the NT indicator, and this is 1 hour time frame. It has been on a very long downtrend from here to this level. Okay, it's reversed a bit, but still went back on downtrend, but this time around trying to consolidate to decide if it will continue this uptrend or go back on a downtrend. So let's see what will happen before we jump into the market. Okay, that will be all for the analysis. Okay, that will be all about the analysis. Remember, if you have any question, feel free to contact me, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now, and we will be going back into what we have for today: long time trading strategy for trading boom and crash. That is what we will be looking at today. In my last live trading video, so many people were asking me how did I go about it, how did I know that it's going to be on a very long downtrend, is it compulsory for them to do it on 1 minute time frame? Of course, you can do it on 1 minute. You can use any time frame. Okay, this time around, I'm not going to use 1 minute time frame. Let's check out how we can do our analysis on higher time frame this time around. So that is what we will be looking at today. Okay, I've done that of lower time frame, but this time around we'll be looking at 1 hour time frame. Okay, check it out. Like I said, all these things are very simple. You just need to put your mind together and make sure you understand every strategies that I'm sharing in my videos. Once you understand that, pick one of them and make sure you specialize on that, and that will help you to milk the market successfully. You don't need to add so many strategies together, it gets you confused. Okay, just pick one of them and try to specialize on that, then you will see how good you are with the trading. Okay, so let's see how to go about it. So like I've always been saying in almost all my videos, all these assets are trend trading assets. So the first thing you should always look out for whenever you are in the market is the trend of the market. Try to get the trend of the market. Okay, right now the trend is on downtrend. Okay, at this moment, at this stage, it is on downtrend. So once you get the trend of the market, try to spot out these support levels or the resistance level, and also try to spot out the breakout actions. Okay, all these are very important, but if you don't know how to identify this, then the signals are there for you to go with. Okay, I will always advise you to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, the trend is on downtrend, so definitely if it's giving me a sell signal here, if you should check it out, it is bringing all these out at this resistance level. Can you see at the resistance level? And even here it is still at the resistance level. Check it out, it is still at the resistance level. So you can always use that to milk the market successfully. So if you don't know how to identify the resistance level, the arrows will definitely show you how to identify that. So since the market is on downtrend, then you should follow the sell arrows, the sell signals. Check it out. Okay, we got a sell signal here, and if you should check it out, with these sell signals, it went down to this level. That is 4 hours trading opportunity. 4 hours trading opportunity, which is amazing. This is another one. We got another sell signal here. Check it out. This is another 12 hours trading opportunity, which is amazing, Okay, check out this also. This is another sell signal. We are focusing on the sell signal because the market is on downtrend at this particular point. The market is on downtrend, so this is another opportunity for you to sell. This is 15 hours trading opportunity. And if you should check here on this sell signal, we got our inverted hammer showing us here. Okay, if you are good with your TA, your inverted hammer means that once you get your inverted hammer at the resistance level, it means that the market is reversing at that particular point. It is not going to break that resistance level, so the market will reverse at that particular point. That is what led to this. Can you see that? Okay, check out this also. This is also another sell signal. This is also another sell signal. Okay, you can see it. Okay, let's check out more. So you will always find the sell signal on the a good sell signal on the sell trend or on downtrend. You can see this. This is amazing. It's actually gave us 39 hours. Okay, you can be in the market for more than a day. This is more than a day. 24 hours makes a day. Okay, and this actually went for 39 hours. Okay, this is amazing. So you can be in the market for more than a day. Who says you can't be in the market for more than a day? You can, if you know what you are what you are doing. Okay, a single order can help you to milk the market for more than a day, and at each time you have an opportunity to come in again, you can always add more to it till you exit your trade. And how do you exit your trade? You exit once you see the exit arrow popping out. In this case, the exit arrow is the buy signal. Okay, once you see it, you exit the market or immediately. Okay, you exit the market immediately. So you keep on seeing this over and over again. You can see this, so you can sell to this level. Okay, you can sell to this level, most especially when the sell signal is coming in from a resistance level. Then you can always obey it. From a resistance level, you can always obey it. Will help you to milk the market successfully. This is another one, and it is even on an inverted armor. Okay, so check it out. It went down to this level, and the same thing here, it also went down to this level. So that is how amazing it is. So you can use this opportunity to make this market successful. This is what I want you to do for me. I want you to go back to your chart, your demo account, set up your demo account using this software I'm showing you on the system, and try to spot out the resistance level, try to identify the trend of the market, and also try to follow the signal that supports the trend of the market. Set it up on your boom account, boom 500 and boom 1000, then crash 500 and crash 1000. So try to spot these out and try to follow the signal that supports the signals, that supports the trend. Try to follow the signals that support the trend and see how far you can go, how much money you can make. And if you are losing money, also let me know, so that we will know what is actually wrong, or how you what you have done that is not giving you the right result that you should have gotten if you have done the right thing. So we will be able to look at this together. So you can always send message to me after trying this out, and also if you are making good profit with it, you can also send message to me, so that I can even guide you further to see how you can avoid some loopholes that you didn't see in the first place. Okay, so these are very, very vital and important. I always appreciate it when my students or my subscribers actually follow my instructions step by step, and send message to me to let me know what they have done, so that we can do that. We can treat it together to see if there is any errors or not. Okay, so these are very, very all these steps are very, very important for you to look out for when you are trading. Okay, so I want you to have this set up on your demo account, practice with it, and contact me. My contact details are on the screen right now. Check them out. Send message to me, and I will also be dropping them in the description box below this video, so that you will understand how to go about it, so that you can have easy access to them. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it, and set the notification to all notification. That way, by doing that, then you will be notified each time I upload a new video. I'll be stopping here right now, so if you have any question, feel free to contact me. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.